So how does the amendment to the Criminal Records Rehabilitation of Offenders Act 1988 ensures that individuals seeking expungement have demonstrated genuine rehabilitation, and what specific indicators does the government consider when determining whether a person has been successfully reintegrated into society?
All right, thank you for your question. Minister Chuck, do you want to be a lawyer?
Well, it was up to now. You did not have the specific matters that are taken into consideration in determining whether an applicant should get expungement. As I indicated, the Act now provides for several matters to be taken into consideration, such as, I read out a few earlier, the nature and gravity of the offense, social inquiry reports, the references that come in, the issue of whether the person has definitely gone through a rehabilitation period. We also get a police report, so that many things are taken into consideration before the person's application is